morning, good afternoon, good evening, kamusta? It's me, Paula, and it's nice to see you back on my channel. Today, we are going to check out kung ano ang pinadala sa atin ng Pretty Secrets. Alright, so I received this paper bag of goodies the other day from Pretty Secrets. They are available in Watson's, online, and at the stores. Kailangan natin to Kailangan natin mag-pamper ng selves natin at home. So, perfect na perfect yung sinend nila sa atin na foot care kits. So, let's check it out. The first one here is the Pretty Secret Pedicure kit. This includes a nail polish remover, cuticle remover, nail pusher, nail file, nail cutter, and foot brush. So, all-in-one kit na to para sa pedicure, di ba? I'll put the prices on the description box below para you know how much this is. Sakto pa yung sizes niya, travel size pa siya. So, you can bring this anywhere. Perfect to pang bahay kit. And then, oh, ito nice pang foot spa, I think. So, merong foot scrub, foot spray, foot soak, and I think lotion tong isa. Gagamitin ko to lahat tomorrow. Ano tong isa? Cooling moisturizer for the feet. So, foot spa, meron pang linis. What else do we have in here? Manicure kit. Ito naman para sa kamay. So, meron silang separate pedicure kit and separate manicure kit. Nail polish remover, meron silang cuticle remover, cuticle tint, and nail brush and nail cutter. So, what you need for your hands would be right here. Oy, may extra tayong foot blush. Ito yung ginagamit para maging mas mukhang fresh yung feet mo. Parang mas mukhang pampered yung itsura niya. And then, we have brightening foot mask. I think I really need this brightening foot mask kasi yung paa ko, it's not the best feet in the world. But I think a little pampering and a little grooming lang, magiging maganda yung paa ko. So, I haven't had a manicure and pedicure session for a very long time na. So, perfecto. Gamitin din natin itong foot mask. So, meron pa. They also sent us nail polish. So, meron pa siyang divider ng fingers. Alam niyo yung parang ganun-ganon. And then 4 colors, 3D nail sticker. Ang cute ng sticker, so ang liliit lang nito. And then lastly is the do-it-yourself nail art. Petal looking like shapes na iba-ibang colors. May instructions din siya here at the back and ito siya. Kompleto to. Magsimula sa foot spa hanggang sa manicure and pedicure until sa finishing touches. Meron tayong mga products from Pretty Secret and they are available in Watson's, online, and also at stores. So, samahan nyo ako. Let's try this out and see you tomorrow. Okay, so now, gagamitin na natin yung mga items. Ready na ako. Sobrang swerte ko dahil meron kaming kapitbahay na merong... Tada! Meron tayong pang foot spa. This will be very, very helpful dahil we have this kit to try out. To be honest, I haven't really tried giving myself ganito, foot spa, manicure, pedicure. Hindi ko pa nagawa sa sarili ko to ever. So, medyo ligaw ako. Super perfect to if they are trying to target the ones that are wanting to do this at home and by themselves. So, yun nga ang situation ng lahat ngayon halos. So, perfect na perfect na perfect. Feeling ko naman madali lang naman kasi it's just cleaning your own feet and hands. So, common sense na lang siguro, no? So, ang first, syempre, ito yung feet ko. Ha! Ito siya ngayon. Kita niyo ba? So, yan yung feet situation natin ngayon. And let's see if magiging glowing yung feet ko or mas maganda siya after the entire process. Ang init Ano bang unang gagawin? Dito sa foot spa kit, so probably ang una natin gagamitin ay foot soap, and then foot scrub, and then foot lotion, and then foot spray. Or last yung lotion. Let me know in the comment section down below kung anong uunahin natin, lotion ba or foot spray. I think itong foot spray, pwede itong dalhin anywhere if you just want your feet to like feel refreshed. Perfect tong size na to and it's on a spray bottle. Let's start with the foot soap. So I think kailangan ko ng warm water for me to have a very, very relaxing experience on this experiment. Ano pa palang foot mask? So kailan ko lalagay yung foot mask? Okay. Wearable sock type foot mask. So, wait. After natin mag-foot scrub, let's wear the foot mask. And then, let's put the foot lotion and then finish it with the foot spray. So, yun yung magiging flow ng ating foot spa session for tonight. Mainit. O, palamigin ko muna ng konti. Oh my gosh! Ang init pala! I think okay na. Ayan. So wait tayo 5 to 10 minutes. Waiting na yung isa kong customer dito. Mamaya po foot spa ko siya. Gamitin natin to scrub my feet. Maganda yung bato. Hindi mo kailangan ng too much pressure para ma-feel mo na nasa-scrub yung feet mo. We're done scrubbing our feet. Ito naman ang gamitin natin. Foot scrub naman yung next. So now, we are going to use the foot mask. Okay, so we will leave this for 15 to 20 minutes. Tapos, we will rinse off our feet na. So, sabi nila, this will make our feet soft and smooth. Mananourish din yung dry and cracked skin. Then, nakita nyo naman kanina yung feet ko na parang mukhang dry and mesha. So, let's see if it works. Yan siya. 3 minutes more, tatanggalin na natin yung foot mask. Lilipat na tayo sa foot lotion. And then, lastly is the foot spray. Ang ganda na ng paa ko. Super soft nga siya. And totoo yung claims na sinabi nila dito na it can brighten your feet talaga. Na para ka talagang nagpunta ng salon and makakatipid ka when you buy the foot spa kit. So, ito yung feet ko. Pakita ko ulit Kasi I'm so proud. Ayan o. I can't believe na ginawa ko to on my own. Kahit na hindi ko pa siya nagugupitan ng nails, kita nyo naman na presentable na siya compared to na nung una, diba? Na brighten nga niya itong mga joints, diba? I love the foot mask. I love the foot spa kit. Tapos, ito na yung hard part for me kasi we will now be using the pedicure kit. I'll try my best, but I think kaya ko naman. It's really good that the kit also has yung pusher and also nail cutter. All in one kit talaga siya for your feet. Yung brush, meron yun sa manicure set, pero sa pedicure set, wala. So, I'm using that from the manicure set. Ang ganda na ng feet ko! And I think this is the last touch, yung foot blush, para maging reddish and pinkish ng konti yung feet. Gagamitin natin tong nail polish from Pretty Secret pa din. I think ito, I'll go for this color lang, yung nude. And then I'll use the same color on my hands. Or maybe mag-red ako sa hands. Let's see. Compare niyo yung feet ko sa feet niya. Later, linisan ko din yun. May toe separator sila. You can put your toes here. Para hindi ka mahirapan, di ba? Nakakatawa nga lang itsura, but kailangan mo yan if you're doing this on your own. O, di ba? Ang ganda na ng feet ko. Katerno ng Pump Activewear. Mamaya yung hands naman, pero foot spa ko muna siya. Ipo-foot spa ko muna si Nay. Yan yung feet niya before. So, we'll use the same kit.
I remember the day when we started talking. We were kids and I know.
Pumuti na. Next step is, let's put some foot lotion.
Did not seem
And then let's use the foot spray.
at all. We took our
Diba? We're done with the feet. So, ito naman, gagamitin naman natin yan sa hands natin. Sobrang tagal ko na din na hindi nagpapa-manicure. So, ako ang gagawa. I-focus ko na lang yung camera. Okay, so here is the finished product. Ang linis na niya, di ba? You can definitely do it pala at home. Walang kahirap-hirap, konting tiyaga lang. If you really wanna do it, you can do it. Super na-enjoy ko siya. And gagawin ko siya ulit kasi meron pa ako nito eh. Siguro after a few months, after 2 months, I need to clean my nails ulit. I will do it again on my own. And you can buy these online. They will deliver it to you right away. And ang pinaka-favorite ko is this one, the foot mask. Kasi ito yung pinaka-kailangan ng feet ko. And also yung foot spa kit. Talagang nag-brighten yung feet ko. So I love it. So yun, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And see you on my next vlog. Bye!